Welcome back to Real Deep Understanding. In today's video, we're going to explore how simplifying your environment and routine can lead to mental clarity, improved focus, and a more productive life. We all experience the feeling of being overwhelmed by the clutter around us, whether it's in our physical space, digital life, or even in our minds. The good news is that by decluttering both your surroundings and your routines, you can create a space for greater mental clarity and focus, helping you perform at your best. Let's dive into how minimalism and productivity strategies can guide you toward a more organized, focused, and intentional life. 1. The mental toll of clutter, how chaos disrupts your focus. We often think of clutter as just a physical problem, but it actually has a significant impact on our mental and emotional state. Studies show that a cluttered environment can lead to feelings of stress, overwhelm, and mental fatigue, making it harder to focus on the tasks that matter most. Example: have you ever walked into a room that's filled with piles of papers, scattered belongings, and a general sense of disarray? The chaos can be mentally exhausting and prevent you from thinking clearly. It's as if your brain is overwhelmed by the physical clutter and can't focus on what's truly important. Actionable advice. Start by clearing out your workspace or living space. Try focusing on just one area at a time, such as your desk, your bedroom, or a specific corner of your home. The key is to remove distractions and make your environment conducive to focus. Clutter creates a mental block that reduces focus and clarity. By simplifying your surroundings, you can create a space for mental peace. 2. The power of minimalism. Less is more. One of the core principles of minimalism is that by removing excess, we can create more space for the things that truly matter. Minimalism is not just about getting rid of things. It's about creating a life that's centered around purpose and intentionality. Example: Marie Kondo, a leading figure in decluttering, teaches that we should only keep items that spark joy. When you apply this principle to your home and workspace, you create an environment that supports your well-being and productivity. The result is a clearer mind and a greater ability to focus on the task at hand. Actionable advice. Adopt a minimalist mindset by evaluating the items in your space. Ask yourself, does this item serve a purpose or add value to my life? Does this item bring me joy or simply create noise in my environment? By only keeping things that are necessary or meaningful, you clear the clutter, both physically and mentally. Embrace minimalism to create a space that supports mental clarity and reduces distractions. 3. Simplifying your routine. Streamlining your day for greater focus. Your environment isn't the only place that can get cluttered. Your daily routine can also become a source of overwhelm. A chaotic, disorganized routine makes it harder to stay focused and productive. Simplifying your day can help you gain more control and reduce stress. Example: Tim Ferriss, author of The 4-Hour Work Week, advocates for simplifying your work and daily tasks by focusing on the 80-20 rule, focusing on the 20% of activities that give you 80% of the results. By streamlining your routine, you free up time and energy to focus on what truly matters. Actionable advice. Evaluate your daily routine and see where you can simplify. Prioritize your most important tasks and eliminate non-essential activities. Implement time blocking. Dedicate specific times to specific activities to stay focused and avoid distractions. Reduce decision fatigue by creating habits and routines that require less thought, for example, meal prepping, setting a morning routine. By simplifying your routine, you free up time and energy for the things that matter, leading to greater focus and productivity. 4. Digital declutter, organizing your digital space for mental clarity. In today's world, digital clutter can be just as distracting as physical clutter. Email inboxes, phone notifications, and messy desktop files contribute to mental overload and hinder focus. Example: Cal Newport, author of Deep Work, discusses how constant digital distractions, like checking social media or emails, interrupt our ability to focus. He emphasizes the importance of creating digital boundaries to protect your focus and attention. Actionable advice. Take time to organize your digital space. Unsubscribe from unnecessary email lists to reduce inbox clutter. Use focus tools. Apps like Forest or Focused at Will help you stay productive by blocking distracting websites. Organize your files into labeled folders and delete anything you no longer need. A clean digital environment promotes mental clarity and helps you maintain focus throughout your day. 5. Decluttering your mind. The role of meditation and reflection. Physical and digital clutter may be easier to tackle, but the real challenge lies in decluttering your mind. Mental clutter, such as constant worrying, overthinking, and stress, can significantly impact your focus and productivity. To achieve mental clarity, it's important to engage in practices that quiet the mind. Example: Steve Jobs was known for his ability to clear his mind and focus deeply on his work. He practiced meditation, which helped him develop the focus and clarity needed to innovate. By regularly engaging in mindfulness practices, he was able to create space for creative thinking and problem solving. Actionable advice. Start incorporating mindfulness techniques into your routine. Meditate for 5-10 minutes daily to help calm the mind and reduce stress. Practice journaling to clear your thoughts and focus on what truly matters. Try deep breathing exercises to regain focus during stressful moments. Mindful practices like meditation help declutter the mind and improve mental clarity, giving you the space to focus on what matters. 6. The benefits of a simplified life. Achieving long-term clarity and focus. When you consistently apply decluttering strategies, whether physical, digital, or mental, you'll experience a significant shift in how you approach life. A simplified life leads to greater focus, reduced stress, and a deeper sense of purpose. You're no longer bogged down by unnecessary distractions, allowing you to fully dedicate your energy to what's important. Example: Bill Gates, one of the wealthiest and most successful individuals in the world, is known for his structured yet simplified approach to life. He dedicates uninterrupted time to thinking deeply about important issues, knowing that focused attention leads to breakthroughs and innovation. Actionable advice. To maintain a simplified life, periodically reevaluate your physical and mental space. Ask yourself, is this still serving me? Does this contribute to my well-being or distract from my goals? By simplifying your life and surroundings, you create the conditions for long-term focus and clarity. In conclusion, decluttering your life, whether it's your physical environment, your routine, your digital space, or even your mind, leads to greater mental clarity and focus. Simplification isn't about doing less. It's about doing more of what matters. By reducing distractions and aligning your environment and routines with your goals, you'll experience improved productivity, less stress, and a deeper sense of purpose. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments how you're simplifying your life for greater clarity and focus. What areas of your life are you decluttering to boost productivity? Let's keep the conversation going.